Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A41 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, find the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm just going to use, for instance, the app tray right here. And once you have it open, there's a couple ways you can capture a screenshot. The first one, probably most common, is the power key and volume down. So you just press it, you get this flash, and I just allow this right now, and a screenshot get saved. So that's the first way. Then there is also sometimes a toggle in the notification panel, and let's just gonna quickly look for it. Now I don't really see it here, but sometimes that's a second way, and the third way would be slide your palm across the screen. Now that's primarily for the Samsungs, and you can see it has the same effect. So you literally just slide your palm like so, and you can see it captures it. Now I held the phone in the hand because it's just easier for me to bend my wrist that way, rather than basically at a 90 degree like it is standing right now. But all the screenshots that I have captured can now be found in your gallery, as you can see right here, the gallery. And when you go into albums, they should all be located in your screenshots folder. And there they all are. So that is how you would capture screenshots on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.